Creating an effective marketing plan is crucial for achieving your business goals. Here's a concise guide. Set objectives. Start by defining clear, measurable marketing objectives. Are you aiming to increase sales, brand awareness, website traffic, or customer retention? Know your audience. Understand your target audience's demographics, preferences, and behaviors. Create buyer personas to guide your marketing strategies. Market research. Analyze your industry, competition, and market trends to identify opportunities and threats. SWOT analysis. Conduct a SWOT analysis to assess your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Define strategies. Develop marketing strategies that align with your objectives. Consider the marketing mix and digital marketing channels. Budget allocation. Allocate the budget to each marketing initiative based on expected ROI and prioritize activities accordingly. Content strategy. Create a content plan for blogs, social media, email marketing, and other platforms. Ensure it addresses your audience's pain points. Channel selection. Choose the most suitable marketing channels like SEO, SEM, social media, email, content marketing, and influencer marketing. Timeline. Create a timeline outlining when each marketing activity will occur. Ensure it aligns with seasonality and product launches. Key performance indicators. Define KPIs to measure the success of each marketing initiative. Examples include conversion rates, ROI, and website traffic. Execution. Implement your marketing plan step by step, adhering to the defined schedule and budget. Monitoring and optimization. Continuously monitor your marketing efforts, track KPIs, and adjust strategies based on performance data. Reporting. Regularly report progress and outcomes to stakeholders and use insights to make informed decisions. Review and adapt. Periodically review and adapt your marketing plan to stay aligned with changing market conditions and business goals.